Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making ice cold blueberry smoothie. Here are all the ingredients. Of course, for a blueberry smoothie, you're going to be needing half cup of blueberries. Next, we have 1 cup of milk. Then we have 1/4 cup of ice cream. Then we have 1 tablespoon of honey. Here's the steps. Okay, so I'm going to put my half cup of blueberries. Next, I'm going to pour 1 cup of milk. I'm going to put 1/4 cup of ice cream. Next, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of honey. Now I will put the lid on and blend. Right now it's done. So I'm going to pour this in this big glass. This is really healthy, in case you're wondering. It has half cup of blueberries, which is good for vitamins, and then it also has milk, which is good for vitamin D. Now it's tasting time. It's really good. If you like this video, please like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more. Goodbye.